Unlocking the secrets of Pickle the cucumbers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, pickle the cucumbers. This might sound straightforward at first, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's explore together what it means, how it's used, and why it's an interesting phrase for English learners. The phrase, pickle the cucumbers, involves two main components, pickling and cucumbers. To pickle something means to preserve it in a solution of vinegar or brine. Cucumbers, on the other hand, are a type of green, crunchy vegetable commonly used in salads and, of course, pickling. When we say, pickle the cucumbers, we're talking about the process of transforming fresh cucumbers into pickles through fermentation or marination in a vinegar-based solution. This process not only extends the shelf life of the cucumbers but also gives them a unique, tangy flavor. Pickling has been a method of food preservation for thousands of years, and it holds cultural significance in many parts of the world. The phrase, pickle the cucumbers, can evoke images of home cooking, traditional recipes, and the importance of food preservation in various cultures. In English-speaking countries, pickled cucumbers, or pickles, are a popular condiment and snack, showcasing the phrase's relevance in culinary contexts. Beyond its literal meaning, pickle the cucumbers can be used metaphorically to describe the process of preserving or preparing something with care. It might not be as common in everyday conversation, but understanding these kinds of phrases enriches your language skills and helps you appreciate the depth of English. We hope you've enjoyed unraveling the mystery of pickle the cucumbers with us. It's a phrase that connects language, culture, and cuisine, offering a glimpse into the versatility of English. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar, it's also about understanding the stories and traditions behind the phrases we use. See you in the next video, and happy learning!